When I get off my ass and got to the cash and got in my bag, boy. Please don't think it's sweet, I stay with the heat even though I'm a sad boy. You better watch the way you breathe around me for that breath be last.
Look at that. Starting off the morning in the best way possible. 5 fried eggs, 3 slices of wholemeal sourdough, orange juice and creatine, electrolytes, a pint of water, and 2 kiwis. This is the ultimate breakfast, high in protein, carbs, and fats. Boys, eating like this is just a blessing. So good eating like this, no longer being a calorie deficit. And yeah, let's just dig in and enjoy. I might have another meal after this before I go to the gym. We'll find out, you'll find out. This is what we're starting our morning with, and oh my days. Boys, just look at that yolk. Oh. Alright, meal number 2. I'm going to the gym in about an hour's time. So it's literally just oats, 2 squares of dark chocolate, berries and honey. Really simple, high in carbs, relatively high in calories. And it's just gonna give me that extra energy, because that's all this, you know, lean bulk is about. It's just having that extra energy, those extra carbohydrates, so I can really just recruit my muscles and just progress and get stronger and get bigger. That is the whole point. I'm not going overloaded. I'm just eating when I need to, eating when I'm hungry, and yeah, this is just brilliant. Like I said, berries, honey, oats, and 2 squares of dark chocolate. It's just perfect. It tastes good, easy to eat, and it's just gonna fuel me up. And I'm gonna eat this, and I'm gonna be fueled for my gym session and more. Boys, the size we're putting on is actually unbelievable. Strong at every session. Last week, or last upper day, I did 105 for 5 on bench, and I just did 110 for 5. What the fuck? PB'd on literally every lift today. This is unbelievable. Upper lower plus a calorie surplus is literally the gateway to gains. Alright boys, we've just got home from the gym. Crazy session. 110 for 5, so happy with that. Strength is coming back. We're benching heavy again. It's only up from here. And something is just delivered when I've got home. And, you know, I originally wanted this to deliver early so I could wear this in the video, but sadly not. But it has arrived, and I've been waiting for one of these for so long. And the next session is going to be the best upper session ever because of this right here. Holy peak. Oh my days, boys. See, I've had this supervillain compression for so long now. This was one of my favourite compressions of all time. It's iconic. Literally reminds you of Trend Twins every time you see it. And I love the black compressions fit me so well. And I saw this, and when they did the restock like 10 days ago, I was like, I'm not missing out on this, and I have to get it. And I managed to get one in my size. Oh, boys, I'm so excited. This is actually the sickest compression shirt. It, to be honest, levels the Onyx, if I'm honest. I haven't worn it yet, but just by looks, it levels the Onyx. So I'm not going to try it on right now because I'm like hot and sweaty after my workout, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to eat for my post-workout meal. Fries are looking seasoned. So boys, this is our post-workout meal. It's about 200 grams of chicken breast cooked on a skillet. First time using it. About probably 300 to 400 grams of sweet potato, cut into fries, cooked in the oven, and just some greens for volume. Oh, just look at that. Feast. Goods acquired. Would usually have beef mince, but this is all we've got. Bread.
The loud got me moving slow-mo. Hey yo, Tweety, where the hoes, bro? Hey yo, Keys, where the hoes, though?
Usually I'd have beef mince, but that was the dinner I had today. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Almost midnight, this is peak. Peak as in bad. So guys, thank you so much for watching today's vid. Bit of a filler episode because I haven't got much going on and I'm kind of still adapting to this new training and diet. But yeah, it's just a little bit of insight on what I'm eating in a day. It's pretty basic, but it's just carbs. Carbs are literally everything. So yeah, please go follow my TikTok, my Instagram. Link to my channel bio. We're almost at 1,000 followers on TikTok. Should be more by now, but I upload literally 2-3 times daily. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Also, subscribe if you're new.